Good evening and welcome to the Financial Week. I'm Javon Keys. The Development Bank of Jamaica, DBJ, is offering $100 million in grants to help investors, inventors, and entrepreneurs address intellectual property needs. The program was recently approved. Now, Christopher Brown, manager of the Development Bank of Jamaica's Boosting Innovation, Growth and Entrepreneurship Ecosystems BIGI program, says successful inventors, researchers, and entrepreneurs can receive up to $4 million each. The program will cover up to 80% of the sum for approved projects. These funds may be used to file patent applications for products or inventions both locally and internationally. Applicants must have a registered business in Jamaica and submit a patent application with the Jamaica Intellectual Property Office, JIPO. Applications will be open until November 25. The DBJ says the initiative is aimed at helping to protect and commercialize the ideas and inventions of local entrepreneurs. Some news in the mining industry now. Jamaica's Lidford Mining Company exported its first shipment of construction-grade limestone to the United States of America. The 36,000 metric tons of stone is to be used in the production of concrete aggregates. It's destined for Savannah in Georgia. The shipment represents the start of a series of regular exports into the U.S. southeastern market. Jamaica is said to have one of the purest deposits of limestone globally, with over 50 billion tons of proven limestone reserves. The limestone global market size was valued at $73.5 billion in 2020. It's projected to reach $113.6 billion by 2028, according to verified market research. The board of Jamaica Broilers Group has accepted the management's proposal to discontinue operations in Haiti. Services in the territory will end effective tomorrow, October 29. Jamaica Broilers says the decision will dent its more than $900 million investment in Haiti. The group, which has been operating in Haiti for over a decade, says the operations have become unsustainable due to the country's social and political instability. JB's Haitian operations recorded a 44% drop in revenue to $1.3 billion in its 2021-2022 financial year. Now, total losses amounted to $364.5 million, up from $6.9 million when compared to the previous period. Now, on the world scene, the World Bank has warned that developing countries are to brace for higher food and commodity prices. In its latest Commodity Markets Outlook report, the multilateral said the shrinking value of currencies is driving up food and fuel prices, which could further deepen the food and energy crises. In U.S. dollar terms, however, the prices of most commodities have declined from their recent peaks, pushed by the Ukraine-Russia crisis amid concerns of an impending global recession. However, because of currency depreciations, almost 60% of oil importing emerging markets and developing economies saw an increase in domestic currency oil prices. The World Bank report says nearly 90% of these economies also saw a larger increase in wheat prices in local currency terms compared to the rise in U.S. dollars. And back home, the U.S. dollar is being sold for an average $154.20. $114.23 is the going rate for the Canadian dollar. $177.59 for the pound, while it's costing an average $156 for the euro. The JSE Index lost 1,838 points today, while the Junior Market Index gained 26 points. Among the winners were Access Financial Services, Wigton Wind Farm, Trans-Jamaican Highway US dollar shares, Blue Power Group, and Epley. The losers included MPC Caribbean Clean Energy US dollar shares, Palace Amusement, Cygnus Real Estate Financial Jamaican dollar shares, Panjam Investment, and Productive Business Solutions US dollar shares. And that's it for the Financial Week. I'm Javon Keys. Good evening.